If you're thinking that you can deposit millions of dirhams in your bank account in Dubai, then you're badly mistaken. Dubai is not the same Dubai which it used to be 20 years ago. The laws have changed, and now in 2025, if you're trying to deposit a huge sum of money in your bank account in Dubai in cash, then there is a high likelihood that the funds will get frozen. Hi everyone, I am Karan Batra and I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai for more than 14 years now. And in this video, I would be talking about how much cash you can deposit in your bank account in Dubai. So essentially, there's no limit as such on the amount of funds which you can deposit. You can deposit millions as well in cash in your bank account. But the catch here is that if you deposit more than 55,000 dirhams in cash in your bank account, then there is a high likelihood that the bank will send you a notice asking you to explain the source of funds. 55,000 dirhams in INR is almost equal to 12.85 lakh rupees, or say $15,000. But why is that so? This is because AML laws are applicable on banks, and as a part of the AML compliance, banks are required to obtain such information. And if you're new to Dubai, AML stands for anti-money laundering and it is strictly implemented in the UAE. These laws are designed to prevent illegal money from entering into the financial system. If the value of cash deposit is more than 55,000 dirhams, then banks are required to report such transactions to the UAE Financial Intelligence Unit. The banks will also send you a notice to explain the source of funds of the transaction and to assess the legitimacy of the transactions. And therefore, it is recommended if you're depositing more than 55,000 dirhams, you should keep proper documentation which can be submitted to the bank to explain the source of funds. You may be required to provide documentation as to where did you get the money from, like say your sales contract or invoice or the salary slips. If the source of funds is not properly explained to the bank can freeze your account until the matter is resolved. The banks are also required to report all such suspicious transactions to the government. It is important to note here that this limit of 55,000 dirhams is not per annum but is per transaction or for a series of transactions which appear to be interlinked. Apart from banks, the AML laws are applicable to several other organizations as well, and all such organizations are required to report to the government if they receive more than 55,000 dirhams in cash from any individual. The AML laws are applicable to banks, exchange houses, insurance companies, investment and brokerage firms, real estate agents and brokers, dealers in precious metals and stones, lawyers, notaries, and other legal professionals, also accountants and auditors, corporate service providers, and several other organizations. As the laws in Dubai are getting stricter with every passing day, it is recommended that you and your company start complying with these laws. And if you have any queries regarding setting up a company in Dubai, feel free to book an appointment with me through the link given in the description below. Thank you.